How to make Word document in mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in order to make a Word document in your mobile phone, you will need an application called Google Docs. Simply go to your Play Store and then search for Google Docs. This is the application you would be looking for. After that, simply launch your Google Docs. And now this will be just as similar as the Word document in your laptop or PC. All you have to do is create a new document and you will be able to edit from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.